This tutorial review will show you how to make a moderator role on Discord. Open your server and click on the server name. Go to server settings. Click on roles. Click on create role. And give here the role name for moderator. And pick a color for the moderator role. And here, enable these two options. Put this moderator role at the top. And then go to permissions. Here, click on clear permissions. And enable these permissions, view channels, manage roles. And change nickname. Manage nicknames, kick members, ban members, send messages in threads, manage messages, manage threads, read message history, send voice messages, connect, speak, use voice activity, mute members, default members, and move members. Then click on save changes. These permissions for moderator role, and then go to the members tab, and here, for example, I want to give the moderator role to this user or bot. So I'm going to clicking on this three dot roles, selecting the moderator role, and that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.